Hello, my name is Jared. I'm a project manager here at America's Home Place in the Asheville, North Carolina office. Today I'm here to talk to you about what things to look for when selecting a site for your new home. Three things I like to focus on is access, utilities, and grade. Access to me was mainly how far off the main road is your home going to be located. For example, if you have a 10-acre piece of property and you're wanting your home right in the center of that 10 acres, have you set aside funds to install this driveway all the way into the center of that property? Sometimes it's forgotten about due to it not being part of the home, but depending on how far that driveway needs to be, it is something that should definitely be looked into and addressed in the process of selecting a home. Utilities goes right along with that. Based off how far the home is set off of the property, for electricity, telephone poles may need to be installed, more trees cut down, extra transformers installed to get electricity just to that house site. And again, not part of the house, and there could be some expense with that, and your local power supplier would need to be contacted to determine if there would be any cost in that process. Also with utilities is water and sewer. If the property is, let's say, $15,000 more and it includes city water and city sewer, it may be a good investment to buy that more expensive piece of property. On the other hand, that may not be the case, and even an option in a lot of situations. The property may require a well and septic system to be put in. Third is the grade and how much the elevation drops from the front of the home to the back of the home. That will help to determine whether your home will need a basement, a tall crawl space, or a regular size crawl space. And we will help you determine that on our visit with you at your home site. Again, my name is Jared with America's Home Place in the Asheville, North Carolina office.